Whether I do a show for 5 people or 50,000 people, I'm always scared. It's not just butterflies, I'm literally scared. And right before I get on stage, I keep thinking as to why I've chosen a profession that gets me scared every other day. And when I get on stage, it's all worth it. When you take the first step onto the stage and you see the lights on you, and then you hear a round of applause, so you just see people smiling at you, makes you forget everything. If you're doing a show which is like this, which is like the Mirchi Music Awards, a grand stage, a lot of people, reputable personalities from the industry, it would look odd if you go on stage and not know what to say about the person you're speaking with. And as an anchor, you're at least expected to give out one info about the person or have a chat with the person that brings out something new to the table. My best stage show, according to me, has left me speechless. I think there are two. One is when I did the audio launch for Kochadiyan for Talaivar. So I like everybody in Tamil Nadu and every Tamilian around. I'm a huge Rajni sir fan. And when Soundarya told me that she wanted me to anchor it and only me to anchor it, I had a huge fit. I didn't think I would be able to do it. But just to stand next to him and to speak in front of him, to speak about him, to him, with him listening to you, was amazing. But when I was standing 10 feet away from him, I could speak. But then when I went and stood next to him, like how I'm standing next to you, I was speaking gibberish. I said, "Sir," and he was like, "You did a good job, thank you." And he just sent me off because he must have seen like a zillion people like me. That was one. And the other one I really enjoyed doing was I usually host Shah Rukh Ji's shows. Yes, Shah Rukh Khan's shows, like launches and stuff when he comes to Chennai or other parts of South India. He's amazing. So if you sort of, surprise him, he loves it because he will surprise you back and leave you stumped. He's amazing. And the thing with him is he's so well mannered and such an amazing gentleman that he will not get on stage without knowing your name. So there were a couple of shows that we did. In the third show we did, he said, "Haan Bhavna, so tell me," and I just lost track of everything because Shah Rukh Khan is calling out my name and yeah. So it was, and of course it's not just me, it's anybody who would host shows with him. He's such an amazing personality. So those are the two big shows that I really hold close to my heart. And of course I anchor this show called Super Singer. I've been doing it for the last 4 years. It's a music reality show in Tamil. It's like the set is like a second home to me, and I love it. I just love the adrenaline rush, the music, and the innumerable number of talents that come about from this show. I think I relate to it more because of that, because the biggest show that I have done in my career is a music reality show, and it is a show that puts music above everything else. So when Radio Mirchi came into Chennai first, I used to be hooked onto it because I used to love their tagline. "It's Semahattu Mirchi" is something that me and my friends used to keep saying in different tones and stuff. The voice used to be so sexy. So we used to love and wait for that jingle more than we wait for any other song. And I love the fact that this is a stage where they commemorate, they appreciate, they applaud every facet of the music industry, not just playback singers or music directors, because a song involves hard work from so many people, including the technical team. So that's something I'm really happy to be associated with.